All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going over a quick tutorial of the award-winning website builder, Squarespace. I'm a Squarespace expert now, and Squarespace is actually where I started my website designer journey however many years ago. And I must say that this is easy to use interface, along with the integrations it has, makes it a prime spot to not only create incredible websites, but also do it without knowing much or any code like HTML, CSS, or Java. So first and foremost, I do want to let you guys know that this is not a sponsored video of any sort. I just want to go over a tutorial for people that may have to use Squarespace. So to start, you'll want to go to squarespace.com where you'll create an account, and it'll take you step by step on everything that you'll need to do, whether you sign in with Google, Facebook, or actually just create an account. You'll get one set up and then you'll log in. Next, it's going to get you some personalization questions to try and understand the business or who you are as a person, so it can get you the best template that it'll feel will help you along with what you're trying to do. Once you finish that, you'll be taken to the template area to see all the different types of websites that have been created. You can preview as many as you please before you actually start with one, so don't just pick whichever you please, and of course you can edit as you go. Once you pick one, you'll choose the title for the website, which is usually just the business name or the project name. It doesn't have to be something big. You'll be the only one that really knows this name of the website. And right when you're done with that, you'll get a tour guide that will work you through some of the things. But since you're watching this quick tutorial, I'll go ahead and give you a tour myself. First up, you'll see that you'll have the website on the right side. And we can look at it both in the desktop and mobile mode, which is super great because Squarespace is amazing with mobile responsiveness. This is going to be very important for whoever wants to make a website for whatever reason. Now we'll check out the first part of the navigation, which is pages. Here you'll find both the pages in your main navigation and pages that aren't on the website, just like the home page. When you hover over a link, you can see the gear icon, and once you click it, you'll bring up the technical side of each page. Here you can change everything from the general page settings to the SEO, social media settings, and advanced code interjections if you have a program something deeper. Now we'll head over to the front end page editor where we can switch between desktop and mobile views still, because you'll want to edit them both ways as well. First, let's go over the section editor. Here you can edit the height, width, and actual content alignment of the section you're in. You can also fix the background images, whether it's an image, video, or some sort of interactive art that can all be animated. Lastly, you'll be able to check out the color palettes that are part of the site styles, which control the colors of the entire website in every detail. The site styles have everything from font families to color palettes, full page animation, spacing, and other site-wide CSS properties. Outside of that, you have the section tools such as moving, duplicating, and deleting things, and those are the main sections. You can add and delete blocks, as you can see, and they have a wide variety of blocks to choose from, and the possibilities are truly endless, especially if you have programming experience, because you can add additional things just using code blocks. When you click on the add section area, you'll be able to see all types of templates as well that they have set up to show you the integrations and setups you can apply to the section without even having to use the specific blocks. Next on the navigation is the design tab, which is mostly just the site styles and things that you can do for the styles of the website. After that, we have the commerce tab, to which has various tabs and in-depth tools to set you up for success in the e-commerce market. Then we have the marketing tab, which goes over the digital marketing tools they have, everything from email campaigns to SEO and social media integrations. They also have some very in-depth profiles for your customers to run proper campaigns specific to the groups that they are in, whether they've bought a certain order or maybe they've signed up to a certain promotion or something of the sort. You can group them out, and you'll also see that this is an option on the actual main navigation that we'll skip over because they go over it here. Next is scheduling, which is useful for people with professional services like barbers or technicians. After that, we have the analytics. These are absolutely phenomenal when it comes to needing to see how your website is doing and what's happening. Everything from traffic data, geography of your users, sources, keywords on Google, the pages being clicked the most, and so much more. It's a huge tool that a lot of people should use whenever you're setting up a Squarespace website. If you don't know how to interpret it yourself, let me know in the comments and maybe I'll make a video to tell you how you can interpret these things, kind of like I'm going to do with Google Search Console. Last but not least, we have the settings, which is the back end for services and things that use the entire website. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the basics of Squarespace and a quick tutorial. If you need any help setting up a Squarespace website or have a website developed and designed for you, please let me know, because once again, I'm a certified Squarespace expert and would love to help you thrive. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave any questions in the comments, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Have a great day, be safe, and stay healthy.